After owning it for several months, I wanted to share my Sense Flex Home Energy Monitor review. Opening the electric bill every month became a painful chore. Regardless of what I did, which included keeping unnecessary lights turned off, shades closed in summer, and intelligent thermostats, it still seemed my electricity was through the roof. Hello guys, in today's video we're going to present to you the Sense Energy Monitor review, the best Sense Energy monitor available on the market today. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be extremely helpful for those who are similar to you. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, we included the link in the description below. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. What is a Sense Flex Home Energy Monitor? Sense Monitor gives you real-time information regarding your electrical consumption. Sense monitoring takes advantage of the fact that every electrical device has its unique signature. Sense has created a unique way to display and detect the amount of consumption in your home or cabin. When you turn on an electrical device in your home, the device will capture the signature, and then Sense will analyze and compare it against a database. I know it's a simplistic overview, but it is more complex than it sounds. False or duplicate identification of devices occurs and will annoy at the beginning. The machine learning algorithms get better with time. Analyzing could be faster. The app identified its first appliance, the refrigerator, 3 days after installation. Then, slowly, more loads came into the app. Sense allows you to confirm the detected electric load based on the probability it has the right one. The unit will display that information using interactive bubbles in an app. In addition, one can see the wattage your home is drawing from electricity usage in real time. Sense Monitor offers additional CT as a separate add-on or as part of their Sense Flex package to monitor your home's solar production. I added solar after the initial purchase, but it was easy to add to my existing unit. Install Sense to electrical panel. The household wiring runs to the individual breaker for the dryer, water heater, and lights with the panel off. I have a healthy respect for electricity. If you need to learn the difference between a Phillips or flathead screwdriver, get some help. It is not a difficult task for most DIYers. The instructions are straightforward, and the support from Sense is excellent, from my experience. The one thing I've read is to make sure the CT clamps fit securely around the main power leads from the utility connection. It can get cramped in some breaker panels. Also, the Sense capture box and CTs are installed on the main breaker panel, not sub-panels downstream. All data gets transmitted via Wi-Fi, so the main breaker panel needs a decent signal from the wireless router, detecting home power usage in real time. Once I downloaded the app and created a free account, I was good to go. Sense has a bake-in time before identifying loads from the grid. The process took at least 4 minutes 5 days before notifications showed on the app. Once an electrical load is detected, you will receive information on your phone. For example, Sense has detected a dryer. You confirm the event, and the load will show up in app. Sometimes, it was spot on in detection. My wife was annoyed with me, asking her if she had turned a light on or run the dishwasher. It is all part of the process to see the different loads of electricity consumed. The detection is okay, but not great. Sometimes, it would detect but then never show up again. The summary will assess how much electricity each appliance uses. There's also a real-time graph that will show your current energy usage. How to use Sense to save you money. Now that you have an understanding of how much energy, how can it help you save on electricity? You can combine the Sense home monitoring with smart plugs from Wemo and Casa. The Sense detects the load source for the outlet plug. I noticed a spike of 500 watts every 30 minutes all day. With the help of the Sense unit, I soon realized my water cooler's hot water switch was on. Over 24 hours, it was almost 10 kWh a day. Another example includes evaluating energy usage from phantom loads such as TV, chargers, nightlights, and other electronics. I can get an idea of energy consumption and find energy hogs. In the Smart Plug app, it's possible to schedule these plugs off when not used. I have a smart plug on the big screen TV to turn off overnight most of the day. It may not seem like a lot, but I can add up over months and years to keep a status light lit. If your TVs have an energy savings mode, consider using it. Another energy use hog I found using Sense identified my 55-gallon electric water heater. It was getting old, and combined with our hard water, it became highly inefficient. Monitor solar generation with Sense Flex solar power monitoring. If you have solar panels or are looking to add them in the future, you are in luck with the Sense Flex Sensors Monitor. Sense Energy Monitor allows you to monitor energy generated from your solar panel by measuring sun power generated and save energy. Display solar power production and real-time power consumption all on one screen. Simple but effective energy monitor for solar energy. Sense Flex can be set to maximize energy use by working out the best time of day to charge and slowing down the AC as needed. Data from devices. At its most basic level, Sense will provide a running total of the amount of electricity your home is using. But things get more interesting once it starts detecting devices. Sense will track usage at the device level and provide a handy summary showing how much each one contributes to your monthly energy usage, the cost of the electricity it consumes, as long as you've provided the app with your electricity price, and a graph of how many times per day it comes on. You can also set notifications to pop up when a device turns on or off, and you can add a custom alert for when something is on or off for more than a certain amount of time. For example, I have an alert set if my refrigerator is off for more than an hour. Smart home integration. During the time I was testing it, Sense added Google Assistant integration to its existing Amazon Alexa skill. Both offer the ability to quiz Sense via voice commands, such as "Is my washing machine on?" or "How much electricity am I using?" or "How much solar am I generating?" Conclusion: despite the frustrating pace of automated discovery, the Sense unit is still quite useful. With a bit of manual detective work, you'll be able to figure out what a bunch of appliances use in your house and track down where all that phantom power is going. It has the potential to save you money month after month through lower electricity bills, and so it should. It's difficult to justify the $299 price tag otherwise. Perhaps the most exciting thing about Sense is what it could become. More users will mean more data and better detection of devices. And with that could come much more advanced notifications, such as not just telling you something is switching on or off, but telling you of potential faults that are developing before they become expensive nightmares. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.